Right, what I've got over here is a model of what the wiper transmission in a car looks like. So over there is the motor, your gear reduction, your crank on the output shaft of the motor, your first linkage in the transmission from your crank to your first wiper, which is normally the driver's side wiper or the passenger side wiper, and then you got another one to the second wiper. So they're mechanically coupled. That's why they move together. There's not two motors driving the wipers in a car. There's only one, and they're mechanically coupled by these two cranks. So there it runs over there. Okay, you can see the crank going, and you can see the two moving together over there, like that. All right. You can see the transmission working over there. So also, there's a park switch on the motor, which ensures that the wipers run till the wipers are down at the bottom of the windscreen, and then it disconnects the power to the motor. So the power to the motor goes through that switch, and that switch is normally closed while the wipers are on the windscreen in their path of travel until they get to the bottom. So it basically holds the power on the motor when you turn it off till the wipers are down at the bottom. It's called a park switch. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So that's why wipers always go down to the bottom. And if your wipers tend to stop in the middle of the windscreen, then that park switch has failed inside the motor. Now that park switch is inside, it's a circular switch which is located on the gear which drives this crank over here. Alright, so that's why you see a couple of electrical connections to the motor. And I think that's going to wrap it up for our talk on wiper motors and wiper mechanisms, or transmissions as they're called. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Hope you learned something and enjoyed it. Take care and have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Bye!